Alright, what is up everyone? It's Kevin again, and back with another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you what the process is for the 350Z so far. As you can see, I just took off both the heads. I'm in process of cleaning the heads so I can take them to the machine shop, get them resurfaced. As you can see, I have all the smaller bolts and parts organized by bags, just so I don't get them mixed up, so I know exactly which bolt goes to where. So far, I just got these off, so I'm gonna clean everything and rewrap the harness, and also maybe add a little touches to the engine bay, make it look nicer. And after I'm done cleaning these heads, I'm gonna take them to the machine shop, get them resurfaced, and during that time I'm probably gonna do all that cleaning and stuff. I got a lot more stuff to clean. Don't mind those dirty boxers. I'm using those as like rags and stuff, just because I've been using a lot of these and running out. Drop off the heads at Drow's machine shop. This is where I get my heads resurfaced every time. Guy's really nice, and only 60 bucks a head. So I don't know how much it is in your guys' areas, but 60 bucks a head, not too bad. Since I have two heads for the VQ, it was 120. So yeah, I guess it'll be ready in a couple days. So it does have a muffler delete, and I think that's it for mods. And the only problem with it is that it does have a raw knock. And I did drive it back home from Beaverton, and I live in Washington, or Vancouver, Washington. So wasn't that far of a drive, but it was a drive, and it drove actually really fine. And I don't know, I really like it. So the plan is just to swap it after I'm done with the Z, of course. But swap it with another VQ.